Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Farzana Shaheen from Brain Train. We are going to do adjectives exercise today. We have completed adjectives already, but today we are just going to do an exercise kind of test. So just check how much we have learned. Okay, let's try. Just as a reminder, what is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase to make it more specific. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो कि noun, pronoun या फिर group of nouns यानी ज़्यादा nouns होते हैं, noun phrase जो है उसको describe करता है, उसके बारे में बताता है कि वो क्या है, उसके meanings में एक तरह से इजाफा कर रहा होता है कि मतलब more information दे रहा होता है noun के बारे में. So let's start the test and know how much you know. Just do it. Okay, adjectives. Choose the adjective that makes the most sense. You have to choose the best answer. There are two options. You have to select the right one. So let's see how much you know. We have done adjectives already. So it's kind of test to check that how much you know. Okay. So first is the elephant's ears are tasty or floppy. So about what it should be telling? About ears. Ears. How the ear. They are tasty or floppy? What do you think? Yes, it is floppy. Then my mom's lasagna is delicious or sharp? Let's see. Delicious. The party is ugly or fun? It is. It is fun. The party is fun. The blank space man has no place to sleep. Poor or fluffy? Which man? Because it is telling about man. No place to sleep. Of course, it's a poor man. The poor man has no place to sleep. My slippers are soft or angry. You should know the meanings. So, slippers, they will be soft. Yeah, the slippers, my slippers are soft. Grandma's perfume is frilly or smelly? Smelly, yes. Next is number 7. The movie is dramatic or furry? So, what do you think? Movie. Movie is, of course, it will be dramatic. And then now our home is delicious or comfortable. You have to choose the right adjectives. Right adjectives. Okay, it is, our home should be comfortable. So our home is comfortable. The school is salty or large? What is the good option? School could be large. Okay, the school is large. The party was old or noisy? Old or noisy? It's noisy. Our friends have a friendly or bumpy dog? Of course, it's friendly dog. The weather is chilly or smooth? So, it's chilly. Chilly. We have to choose the things which are related to the noun. My new shoes are long or fashionable? Fashionable. The genius is intelligent or rectangular? It is intelligent, of course. The city library is useful or chewy? It is useful. We have a blank horse, brown or scaly? It is brown. We have a brown horse. So you can see we have to choose the words that describe the noun. So try to learn the meanings also, so it will be easy for you then. The next exercise is now you have to choose the antonyms. Antonyms are the opposite words. Like it will be the adjective, but it will be opposite to the word which is in the first sentence. Like the first sentence is, the clothes are not clean. So we have to choose the antonym of clean, like opposite word. You have to choose the opposite. So to make it a right sentence, it should give the same meanings, but the word should be antonym. So let's see what will be the answer for that, the other sentence. The clothes are not clean. So the clothes are dirty. So meaning is same. We have to remove not also from there. Not clean mean they are dirty. So in this way we'll change. Don't keep the not with it, otherwise meaning will change. The homework is not hard. So again, we have to change hard. We have to look for the hard meaning of hard, opposite of hard. So it is easy. The homework is easy. No not. Remove not also. Remember to remove not. The party is not noisy. Noisy. The party is quiet. Party is quiet. It's opposite of noisy. Okay. The next sentence is, the man is not poor. So opposite of poor is rich. The man is rich. Not poor, rich. Not noisy, quiet. Not hard, easy. Not clean, dirty. The lights are not on. Not on, it means the lights are off. The perfume is not expensive. Not expensive mean cheap. The perfume is cheap. The car is not fast. Not fast, then it is slow. The car is slow. The movie is not serious. Not serious. The movie is funny. The ground is not wet. Not wet. The ground is dry. My uncle is not old. Not old. My uncle is young. His brother is not tall. Not tall. His brother is short. Short. The world is not flat. The world is round. They are not hungry. Not hungry. They are full. The weather is not cold. Not cold. The weather is hot. The song is not short. The song is long. So these are all the antonym. It means opposite words. So remember, if you're changing this way, don't add not when you're changing, okay? So if you find it useful and you learned something from it, just share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you till next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.